Friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make a very nice beautiful flower keychain which is really a fun to make and you'll enjoy making it, and it is a very good gifting option as well. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for the project are yarn of 3 colors. The choice of colors totally depends on you. Thread and needle by which we are going to add petals to the circle of the flower, pair of scissors to use as and when required, and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's begin. At first we have to make a slip knot. Now yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So these are 3 chains. We have to go back to the first one, insert the hook in, pull through 2. So foundation ring is ready. Now insert the hook in, pull through 2. This is single crochet. So we have to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 single crochet. Now we have to join these stitches into the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now on each stitch of the first round we have to make 2 stitches into the same stitch. So insert the hook in, pull through 2, again into the same stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 2. So we have to make 2 single crochet into each single crochet in this round. So there would be 16 single crochet when the round would be completed. 1, and this is the second one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now the round is complete. Insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through 2. This is slip stitch. Again into the third round as well we have to make 2 stitches into the same stitch. So complete the round by making 2 stitches into the same stitch to complete the third round. We'll meet when the round would be completed. This is how we have completed the third round. Now we have to complete 2 more rounds, but in these rounds we don't have to increase or decrease any stitches. So complete 2 rounds and then the circle of the flower would be completed. We'll meet again when 2 rounds would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to cut the yarn from here and tie it tightly with a knot. One circle is ready. We have to make 1 more. Now 2 rounds are ready. We are going to work on the petals now. So for the petals we are going to make a slip knot first. Now yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Go back to the first one, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Foundation ring for the petal is ready. Now insert the hook into the ring, pull through. This is single crochet. We have to make 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now tie these stitches into the first stitch with a slip stitch. In the next round we have to make single crochet 1, 2 into the same stitch. So we would have 16 stitches at the end of the round. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 into the same stitch. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now join these stitches into the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now we have to complete 6 more rounds without any increase or decrease in the stitches. It means we have to make a single crochet on each stitch below. Now we have to make 6 more rounds, and we'll meet again when these 6 rounds would be completed. When 6 rounds are complete, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds. Now we are going to stuff this petal. You can see that I have stuffed the petal. Now we are going to close the mouth of the petal, and so we are going to insert the hook into the both ends of the petal, pull through 2, again insert the hook on the both ends, pull through 2. This is how we have to close the mouth of the petal, and the petal would be ready to be tied to the circle of the flower. Now the petal is ready. We'll cut the yarn from here, and now we are going to close it tightly. One petal is ready. We have to make 5 more petals for the flower using the same method. These are the 6 petals which are going to be tied to the circle. So we'll take one part of the circle and we have to join these petals with needle and thread, and we'll meet again when these petals would be tied to the circle. You can see we have already joined all these petals to the circle of the flower. Now we are going to add the other part of the circle to hide all these odds. So from the back as well, the flower is going to look very pretty. So we meet again when this part of the flower would be tied to the petals. When we have completed joining almost half part of the circle, we are going to stuff the circle of the flower. This is how we have stuffed the circle of the flower with the fiber. Now we are going to join the remaining part of the circle to the petals, and we'll meet again when we have joined this part to the petals. Now the flower is ready. We are going to make stem and leaves, for which we have chosen this color. Now we are going to add a part from the flower, and now we are going to make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are going to add this part to the keychain. Insert the hook in, pull through and pull through 2. Now we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now chain 1, Into the fourth stitch we have to make single crochet 1, into the next stitch single crochet 1, into the next stitch we are going to make double crochet, so double crochet 1, 2, into the next stitch 3, into the very next stitch. Now yarn over 2 times we are going to make treble crochet into the very next stitch. So treble crochet, yarn over 2 times into the very next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now yarn over, we have to make 2 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and in the very next stitch we have to make a single crochet. Now we have to make a single crochet on the other part of the chain. Now 2 double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over 2 times, we have to make 2 trebles. Now pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times. Now we have to make 1 more treble, 1, 2 and 3 times. Now we have to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet, and 1 more single crochet here. So this is the leaf. Now we are going to make chains in between each stitch. To give a nice line to the leaf. Pull through and pull through 2. Again pull through, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Again insert the hook in, pull through 2, insert the hook in into the next stitch, pull through 2, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2. So this is one leaf that we have made. Now we are going to make 1 more. So we have to go back to the chain over here with the slip stitch. We have come here. Now we are going to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 this time. Now chain 1, we have to make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over. We are going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 trebles. Now yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over 2 times into the very next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over 2 times, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now we have to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Now we have to repeat the same on the other side of the leaf, and then we have to make a nice line by inserting the hook into each stitch and making a single crochet. We'll meet again when this part of the leaf would be completed. This is how we have completed making the other leaf. Now we'll cut the yarn from here and pull through tightly. Now our nice keychain is ready.